If someone tells me to wait for you, I would do it only for Yomi. Wait would be till eternity because I love you. From every bit I did not know how much I love, I know only. When you left, I missed you so much, and I was aware that I am in a state of deep yes, it's love. I am so sure, yes, this is love for me, baby. I am so in love with you. Things may settle in for sure, and life will also change. One thing you can be sure of is my love for you. Oh, dear love, that will be the same wherever life takes us in life. I am so in love with you. Love that is so prime. Your love has made me realized that being happy is so important. Your presence has just the same effect on me. Your love has the power to change me, and it's only you that I wish to see my baby. I love you to the best thing I have done in my life is love you. The best gift I will received in my life is your love, and the best thing that has ever happened to me is you. I love you, and I will forever do.